My position size is going to be $1,000. I'm at 20x leverage. So I'm just going to set a limit order here and we are going to go in, right? What's up guys, it's Alex from Chart Prime coming at you, and in this video I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Chart Prime trading suite. I'm going to be applying all of the indicators to my charts, and I will be looking for a trade setup, and once I find a trade setup I'm going to be executing a leverage trade with $1,000 of my own money to show you how easy it is to use and make money with the Chart Prime trading suite. Alright, let's get into it guys. First things first, I'm going to go over to my indicators tab. Once you pay for the subscription, you'll get an email where you connect all of your accounts. Chart Prime will send you these 4 premium indicators. All you have to do is go to the indicators tab and then invite only scripts, and then these are all of the indicators. All right, I'm gonna put all 4 of them on my charts. All right, so now that I have all of my indicators up and active on my screen, I'm gonna skim through all of my favorite altcoins. Once I find a asset that has a lot of confluence, I think I'm going to be looking for longs in this scenario. All right, guys, I think I found the winner. I'm on the altcoin known as One or Harmony, and I am seeing some amazing confluence here. I am on the 15-minute. I have a bullish engulfing pattern. We are on the strongest support and resistance on the hourly time frame, right? Even though we're on the 15-minute, we have the multi-time frame graded support and resistance indicator showing us supports and resistance on multiple time frames, even though I'm on the 15-minute. So I see that we're bouncing off the very strongest support line on the one line here. We are in the premium discount zone on our Smart Money Concepts indicator. We are showing a reversal arrow on our oscillator. This is great here. This is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and take a position here based on all of this confluence. I'm feeling pretty confident, and I'll probably set my take profit somewhere around this trend line or maybe this high right here. And we can see that there is going to be also some bullish divergence forming here as well. As you can see, we have a low and then a lower low as far as the candlestick closes. And then we have a low and a higher low on our Chart Prime oscillator. This oscillator is very powerful. I almost use it as my first layer of confluence and my base layer. I'm going to enter right here and set my stop loss right underneath the premium zone, which is going to be around 0.016. My position size is going to be $1,000. I'm at 20x leverage. So I'm just going to set a limit order here and we are going to go in. Right. Now I'm going to set my take profit and stop loss. So I want to make sure that I'm at least at a 2-to-1 ratio on my take profit. I'm going to set my take profit at this trend line of this descending broadening wedge that our patterns detector detected. I feel like that's a pretty good area to take profits at because there's a good chance we could get rejected here. It is a very healthy 1 to 2.5 ratio. Can't go wrong there. And yeah, I'll just let it ride. Just took half my profits off the table and I moved my stop loss up to break even. And I'm doing this because I'm starting to see a little bit of a curve in the oscillator, and it's also on its way to start painting some hidden bearish divergence. But I'm seeing signs of this possibly being a reversal. So I'm just protecting myself. I took a little bit of the profits off the table and I moved my stop loss up to break even. So I am seeing on the 5-minute triple divergence with a peak seeker signal, which is always deadly. We're butting up on some resistance on the dynamic reactor. Now this very well could just fail and keep going because it's on the 5-minute. But I've already made some pretty solid gains, and there you go. Just locked in some profits. I made $193, right? So that just paid for more than a quarterly plan plus. And with a discount, That's probably a quarterly plan and a month. So you just paid for 4 months of Chart Prime in one trade. So that's 20% profit in one trade, right? And it was a very safe trade. It was done with good risk management. That is how you guys can use Chart Prime right out of the box, basically only using Chart Prime indicators. Imagine if you're doing this consistently on a daily basis. All right, guys, I just showed you the power of the Chart Prime trading suite and confluence between all of our indicators in about an hour, 2 hours. I made $193. If any of the indicators or confluence or terminology, or maybe the charts were just overwhelming and confusing you, as soon as you come into the Chart Prime community, we will show you the ins and outs of every indicator. We have 2 live classes every week, along with one-on-one sessions if you're really lost. And we'll show you, these are the points of confluence you want to look for. These are the things that you want to do to be a successful trader. And it doesn't just stop at, showing you how to use our indicators. We also teach some of the fundamentals. So once you come into the Chart Prime community, we will be with you until you are a profitable trader. Not to mention our trade signals provided by our professional technical analysts. These guys are running at about an 80% win rate. These guys will literally hand feed you signals, right? As long as you have good risk management, set your stop losses. So that's enough rambling from you guys. Keep your charts prime and always use stop loss. Peace.